Alvas. The name strikes a chord in your heart, doesn't it? Alvas. We have all heard it time and again when there is talk about certain things done the best way in the country. But here, we are not talking about what you have already heard of Alvas. You know that Alvas hosts the biggest, grandest ever cultural festivities of the nation, named Nudisiri and Virasat. So we are not elaborating those again. You know, Alvas has the most talked about, most sought after sports training facilities that produced only the best. So we are keeping that aside for now. We know Alva celebrates days of national importance with 40,000 people at their patriotic best twice a year. But let's allow a slight oversight here as well. What we are talking about today will leave your love, your regard and seeking for Alvas multiplied. Let's start with this. Did you know that Alvas College of Engineering has a cultural Dollu Kunita team comprising female leads?
Our Dollu team is the best team among all other cultural teams in the entire state, and our team is the confident group in the engineering bunch.
By the way, these star performers get placed in the most reputed of firms that come to Alvas at the campus drive. In fact, Alvas has the most incredible placement record in the area. All thanks to this hard-working placement cell. Last year, Alvas had a record placement of 538 students, which is the highest registered in the state. This happens because the students here acquire placement training from the very day they begin their course at Alvas. The placement drive at Alvas actually does not stop within the campus walls. These guys have redefined placement drives with initiatives like Pragati and state-level recruitment programs. Although there is a rather surprising factor here, the most students in AIET don't even need to attend placement drives. They are so well facilitated here that they build the most complex of technology and consequentially their career. Like meet this guy here. He has built a software system that is currently used by ISRO.
I got the opportunity to design and develop a complete software system to process the weather data. And I designed it and developed it within 30 days, and right now it is being used by ISRO scientists. And I'm really proud of this, and I am really grateful to Alvas for providing me such an opportunity to work in ISRO as an intern.
These innovations are facilitated by the number of MOUs Alvas has signed with national and international institutions. Alongside ISRO and HIL, Alvas also has MOUs with institutions in Belgium, Japan, Netherlands, Czech Republic and Portugal, through which student exchange programs are also held. Speaking of innovations, the engineering genius at Alvas naturally does not limit to software. Here, meet the Royal Mechs who are all set to take the automobile world by storm with their designs and events. Their design has already made it to national levels. These are not the only things the students have built. Believe us when we say this. Alvas currently has 3 patents for technical breakthroughs designed by students, and there are more coming up. That's not it. Technical expertise can take you a long way, but it's your holistic personality that keeps you at heights. The platforms at Alvas that allow students to explore their diverse set of talents are amongst the most happening platforms in coastal Karnataka. And the best part is, they are all run by students.
Our college is supporting in great initiatives like creating this beautiful bird park where we nurture the natural habitat for the birds.
Rostrum gives a platform to encourage students beyond the class walls. It encourages students beyond the capabilities to be better orators.
The best part is that we get to do the things ourselves. We are given so much liberty that we get short of time for execution of ideas, but never the ideas. Starting from the Srishti Club to Chirp Club and from Sahitya Sangha to the Photography Club, there's everything we do here.
We love being at Alva's because it let us be ourselves and let us expand our boundaries.
And the inevitable. Alva's gives you the best possible cultural and sports exposure, as we already talked about. It is not a surprise at all that Alva's is the cultural and literary champion amongst 220 colleges on VTU level every single year. Academically, research is facilitated here by the government of Karnataka with a grant of Rs 2 crores. Alva's has the highest number of certificate courses as well. And over 140 companies seek out students from here every year. Life at Alva's does not fit within the phrase student life is golden life. We might actually want to invent a new expression to define student life here. Let's just say that it's a phenomenon and your life could elevate to that standard you have always dreamt of in this institution. Keeping aside the obvious, there is so much more Alva's offers. Come explore, experience, and elevate.
Alva's for me is
Endless possibilities.
Endless possibilities.
Endless possibility.
Endless possibilities.
Endless possibilities.
Endless opportunity.
Endless opportunities.
Endless opportunity.